In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save up to 45% on Binance trading fees using a Binance referral code. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, saving on fees can significantly affect your profitability, and Binance offers a great way to do this through their referral program. Let's dive into the process step by step to help you make the most out of your trades. First, you'll want to open the Binance app on your smartphone. Once you're in, navigate to the home page of the app where you can find various options. Among these, tap on the More button, a gateway to a plethora of additional features that Binance provides. Within this menu, find and select the Referral option. This section is crucial as it hosts your referral code and links, which are key to unlocking the fee discounts. Once you're in the referral section, you'll see your referral code displayed prominently. There's also an option to toggle your referral link if you prefer using that. Both of these tools are what you'll need to either share with your friends or use personally. If you're enthusiastic about helping others save money while also earning for yourself, sharing these is a great option. Simply copy the code or link, depending on your preference, and share it directly with friends or family, or even use it yourself on any new account setup. When someone uses your referral code or link to sign up on Binance, it elevates your fee tier. This little change comes with a big benefit, a commission rebate on trading fees. Essentially, the act of sharing your referral code not only helps others start on Binance with reduced fees, but also provides you with a rebate which adds up significantly over time. Now, the exciting part is how these rebates work. Depending on your VIP level within Binance, these rebates have the potential to reduce your maker or taker fees by as much as 45%. So not only are you incentivized to trade more due to reduced fees, but you're also earning through the rebates provided by Binance's generous referral scheme. Lastly, keeping track of your earnings through these rebates is simple. Head back to the More section in the app and navigate to Referral. There you can view your current earnings, giving you a clear overview of how much you're saving and earning by participating in this program. This clear layout ensures you can manage your trades and rebates easily without missing any rewards. By following these steps, you can significantly cut down on your trading expenses and increase your profitability on Binance. So start using and sharing your referral code today and enjoy those fantastic discounts and rebates. Thanks for watching and happy trading.